Hello and welcome back to another episode of Science with the Professor. Today, not only am I super smart because I'm wearing glasses, but I'm also super cool because I'm wearing these super cool shades. Today, we'll be asking the important question: how do solar panels work? And is it feasible to completely replace fossil fuels with solar power? Solar panels can be used to charge pretty much anything that uses electricity. You can power them, you can charge them, or do anything. Let's get right into it. So first, how do solar panels work? Well, solar panels are made out of what's known as silicon, which is a semiconductor. In solar panels, there are two types of silicon, N-type and P-type. Together, these make a junction. The N-type silicon has extra electrons, so it has a negative charge. The P-type silicon has a lack of electrons, so it has a positive charge. Now that we know the basics of what they're made of, let's figure out how exactly solar panels work. As you can probably see, solar panels are black, and dark colors attract light particles. These light particles are called photons, and they radiate from the sun. When these photons hit the N-type silicon, they knock some of the extra electrons loose. These electrons now make a current through the junction and make a wire. The P-type silicon is mainly there to herd the electrons into their body. Now to ask the hard question: is it feasible to completely replace fossil fuels with solar power? Let's find out. Now, we all know that solar power is much better for the environment than fossil fuels. First, let's look at how to power one of the most used things in humanity today: solar power. Cars. Now, the average American pays... Jesus Christ, is this correct? Jeez, the average American pays over $2,000 per year just to fill up their tank in gas. Now, imagine if you didn't have to pay any of that, you just use solar panels. Now, add that to your price of your car. You're driving around for 10 years, you're paying over $20,000, maybe $30,000. If that's not a rip-off, I don't know what is. Now, according to my sources, the average price for a solar-powered car will be about the same price as a regular car today. Minus the price of gas, you're saving thousands of dollars every year. This is better for the environment and somewhat cheaper. Win-win situation. Now, we gotta look at some of the limitations of cars. Well, first of all, we don't really have any reliable way of getting them right now. Also, the solar-powered cars we have now, they can't get as fast as a lot of cars we have today can. Also, they're very light, which could be dangerous if they ran into a regular car. Finally, they can only hold one person right now, so that's not very helpful. Now, let's look at solar-powered houses. Now, for pros for houses, we already know that you only have to pay once, it's better for the environment, and get that sleek black roof with the solar panel. That's pretty sweet, if I can see it still itself. I know you're probably thinking, what if it's dark outside? Will my house not work? Well, solar panels usually store enough energy so that if it's dark, it's still power still. Many people already have their houses run completely on solar panels, 100%. To get your house fitted with solar panels, it usually costs about from $15,000 to $40,000. That's not that bad considering how much you pay on power each year. But that is a pretty steep price to pay all at once. Now, let's get real first. The big question: is it ever feasible to completely replace all other forms of energy with solar power? I think so. The pros much outweigh the cons. The price is much cheaper in the long run, even if it's a bit steep at the start. In the future, the cars might be able to be just as fast as they are now, and they might be able to make more seats. Finally, we may have to. We're running out of fossil fuels very quickly, so we might have to replace them with solar panels sometime soon. So is it feasible? Yes, but in the future. Not right now. Our technology isn't quite up there yet. But soon, when we get our cars better, better, we're gonna be good. Set for life. Thanks for watching another episode of Science with the Professor. I'm Professor Sim. Hope you enjoyed. Got my other glasses still here. Gonna put them on top. Have a nice day. Go get solar panels. There's nothing wrong. You might have seen that you already have solar panels on your calculators, and on other things. That's because they work. Not because you just feel like you're not doing